The media library is where you will find all of the files after you have added them. You will also find additional content-based plugins like YouTube here. Create a folder by right-clicking here and you will see the correct button pop up. If you have a fresh new folder, you can simply click on Upload Files. When there is already a file, you can upload another one with the help of the right mouse button. Another easy way to upload files is by using the drag and drop functionality. Once you have these files, you will be able to create your own slides.